Hello friends, today we are going to study 12th Science Maths second chapter Application of Derivative. In this chapter we study the velocity, acceleration and jerk. Derivative, application of derivative, here a derivative used in velocity, acceleration and in jerk. If we know the equation of displacement, that is S is equal to Ft is the displacement function, then first derivative of this displacement, that is f dash t, is the rate of change of displacement s with respect to time, and this first derivative is called as velocity of particle. Therefore, this velocity is equal to s dash t, which is equal to f dash t. That is rate of change of this displacement is called velocity. We know that the rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. Therefore, differentiating this velocity equation with respect to time, we get the acceleration. Therefore, A is equal to dv by dt is equal to second derivative of this displacement, that is d2s by dt square. Therefore, acceleration is equal to v dash t is equal to s double dash t, that is second derivative of this displacement. Let us consider third derivative of the position function s is equal to f of t is equal to s triple dash t. We have taken here the third derivative of this displacement equation. We get that s triple dash t, which is equal to v double dash t, that is second derivative of velocity, which is equal to a dash t, which is first derivative of this acceleration, is called jerk. Therefore, equation of jerk J is equal to dA by dt, which is equal to d3s divided by dt cube. Hence, jerk is rate of change of acceleration. Here jerk is rate of change of acceleration. Now we have to solve the first question, that is example 1. A car is moving in such a way that the distance it covers is given by equation s is equal to 4t square plus 3t, where s is in meter and t is in second. What would be the velocity and acceleration of car at time t is equal to 20 seconds? Here we have to find the velocity and acceleration of car at this given time. We know the equation of displacement, that is s is equal to 4t square plus 3t. Let phi is equal to velocity of car and a is equal to acceleration of car. We know that velocity is rate of change of displacement, that is ds by dt, which is equal to d by dt of, we know the equation of displacement, s is equal to 4t square plus 3t, that is 4t square plus 3t. Differentiating this equation, we get 4 as it is, derivative of t square is 2t plus derivative of this 3t is 3 into derivative of t is 1, which is equal to 4 into 2, 8t plus 3. This is the equation of velocity. Now we have to find the equation of acceleration. Therefore, we know that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity with respect to time, which is equal to d by dt of velocity. We know the velocity is 8t plus 3. Therefore, 8t plus 3 is equal to, we have to find the derivative of this 8t plus 3. First 8 constant and derivative of t is 1 plus derivative of this 3 is 0, because derivative of any constant is equal to 0. Therefore, acceleration A is equal to 8. Now we have to find velocity and acceleration of car at time t is equal to 20 seconds. For 20 seconds, for t is equal to 20 seconds, velocity is equal to, we know the equation 8t plus 3. Therefore, substitute value of t in this equation, we get 8 into 20 plus 3, which is equal to 160 plus 3, which is equal to 163. Okay, now we have to find the acceleration is equal to, we have the equation acceleration is equal to 8. Here is no t, therefore acceleration A is equal to 8. Unit of acceleration is meter per second square and unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay, therefore this is the velocity of given car and this is the acceleration of given car at a time t is equal to 20 seconds.